Remax Alliance, and today on Exploring 285, we're here at Blizzard Mountain Pinball. And I'm here with the owners Kevin and Laura. And we're going to learn a little bit about what pinball has to offer our community. Kevin and Laura, can you tell us a little bit about how Blizzard Mountain Pinball started and your story?
Well, we started collecting machines back in the early 90s.
Oh, fun.
So we've had machines around for, 25, almost 30 years now.
Wow.
And the machine that we're standing in front of here, Pinball, that is the first machine we ever got.
Oh, how fun. That's exciting. So how did it blossom from there?
Well, we were collecting games for decades and just enjoying them as a family, and we would take them to pinball shows.
Oh, fun.
And Kevin especially just really enjoys sharing them with other people and seeing other people get to enjoy them. And
The opportunities for that were not
they're mostly just sitting in
frequent.
our basement.
Yeah, they're not frequent in the basement, so we wanted people to be able to enjoy the games, and pinball was meant to be played and meant to be enjoyed and have fun and
Shared with your friends.
share with your friends. And here, one of the great things here is that we've got a group of people that come in very frequently now, and they've gotten to know each other.
Yep.
Seeing those relationships develop over time has been really fun.
Oh, good.
So
So how'd you get the idea to let's open in Conifer and start this adventure?
Well, we've lived in Conifer for a little over 13 years now.
Okay, good.
And so we really like the idea of being able to do something like this in our hometown.
Right.
Need for kind of an indoor activity
Yeah.
for kids and families to do, and I guess for anybody to do, but
Yeah.
we kind of felt like we could fill that need.
Oh, good. I think you did a good job at that.
Thank you.
I come here often on Friday and Saturday nights when I have nothing else to do. It's a great place to go when it's cold outside
Yes.
or snowing. So, and in the summer, I know you guys are open still,
Mhm.
nightly, and we have a few
Yep.
close days, but
And we have
Yeah.
some summer camps that come through, and so yeah.
very fun.
groups of kids and groups of just people in general come through during the summer and actually during the winter as well.
Good.
We're open basically Thursday through Monday,
Okay.
closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays.
Okay. Tell us a little bit about what pinball has to offer our community. I know you guys do tournaments, birthday parties, things like that.
We do. Yeah, we do a monthly tournament that's on the second Sunday of the month,
Okay.
which
League,
is
we
just a
do.
fun casual tournament.
We do a league on Monday nights. The next league is starting on January 7th. And that is a really fun way to get to know how to play pinball because we meet every week. You're going to be playing against other players, but you're also going to be learning from them and getting to know them. And it's a more social kind of event, and it's been pretty popular. If you want to learn how to play pinball and kind of get introduced to playing pinball more competitively, the league is a good place to start.
Very good. And I know that, don't you guys sometimes do a 24-hour?
We did our
Stay
first
up and play.
we did our first 24-hour tournament a few weeks ago.
How'd that go?
It went really well.
Good.
We had
Good.
31 players.
Wow.
And
Good.
29 of them made it all 24 hours, played every game.
Oh my goodness.
So it was
How
pretty
fun.
impressive. We do offer birthday parties. We have a birthday party room where you can bring in pizza and cake and whatever you want to bring in. Kids can play an unlimited amount of games for a couple of hours. So it's also a good option if you don't want to drive down the hill to do a birthday party.
Right.
Or any kind of party, really.
Yeah.
It's not just birthday parties.
True.
Social party.
Yes.
Social party,
Holiday
team
parties.
building, holiday parties, anything like that.
Great. Good. watching another episode of Exploring 285. I hope to see you around town. I come here to Pinball often to play as well. So my favorites are Medieval Madness, Indiana Jones, Jurassic Park, and Lord of the Rings.
Hobbit.
Hobbit.
Hobbit,
Yes.
yes, the Hobbit one. So whether you want to play for fun, if you want to play competitively, bring your friends, family of all ages, and come have fun at Pinball. Thanks for watching, and remember, smiles are contagious.